Hello, Sakafet. Hi, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today, I will be making a Caribbean style peach cobbler. If you want to see how I make this recipe, keep watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Now let's get baking. Now these are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make the peach compote. The exact amounts will be listed in the description bar below. Main thing, our peaches. We have some sugar, some dark rum, salt, cornstarch, lemon juice, and some nutmeg, cinnamon, and ginger. So that's the first thing we're going to make is a peach compote. And then I'm going to make a cake and I'm going to show you how I do that later. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get mixing this here. So we're just gonna put everything in a pot. So these are my peaches. See, nice peaches. And some sugar. Everything's going in here. And we just pour everything else. I wanna put my lemon juice. That. Salt. Everything here. And the cornstarch we're not going to add yet. We have to mix it with a little water. I'm going to put that in here and take it to the stove. And I'll mix that water into that and add it to it. And this is my cornstarch. And see, I just put a little bit of water just to dissolve it. Not too much. And that's going right into this. And then I'm just going to stir it all up. And just let it cook. That's it. Okay, get all the flavors in there, mixed well, and see the consistency is just the cornstarch creating the liquid with a little bit of water. And I'm just going to cook it until it's nice and thick and everything is nicely done. So these are the ingredients I'm going to use to make the cake. We have our self-rising cake and pastry flour. Now I like to use the self-rising flour for cake. The baking powder, salt, everything is already in there, so it's just easier. I have my sugar, butter, milk, eggs, vanilla, and almond extract. So it's a very simple cake recipe. Okay, here we go. First thing, we want to mix our butter with the sugar. I'm just going to use my little hand mixer to do that. And then we just add the sugar to that. And next thing, I'm just going to kind of cream that together. Butter and sugar is fluffy and well done now. I'm going to do my eggs and add to it. Okay, so we're just gonna pour some in. So it's nice and fluffy. You can see our mixture is all done. Just do my extracts. I'm gonna put that in. Vanilla and almond. So now I'm just gonna fold the flour in. And I'm doing it a little bit at a time. Okay, so then while I'm doing that, I'm adding some milk. A little bit of flour, a little bit of milk. Okay, so the cake batter is all done. It's mixed nice and light. So I'm just gonna go and get my pan and put everything together. So now I'm gonna put everything together in the baking dish, and my oven is heating up. So I did put it at 375. And what I'm gonna do next is spray this pan. Now you can use butter and put in the pan, but I'm gonna spray it. Okay, that's it. Next step, I'm gonna pour the peach. Now this was cooked in, like it was cooking for about 10 minutes, and that's the consistency. This is how you get it. And what I'm gonna do is just mix that up, give it a stir, and I'm just gonna pour it into the pan. Get all that nice syrup in there. And then this is gonna go right on top. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna wait till the oven is heated, till it gets to temperature before I put that in, because what I wanna do is put it right away into the oven. So now the oven is ready. I'm gonna pour this over my peach. Oh, I'm gonna cover it up. And I want to get every little bit of that cake batter. Now into the oven it goes. That's it. And we're going to leave that until it's nice and golden brown. I'll see you when it's done. All right, let's check it. Oh, I think it's done. Look at that. Oh, it smells so good. Yep, it's done. Oh, okay. Oh, there's our peach cobbler. And that's been baking for 45 minutes. So I'm just going to let this rest for about 5-10 minutes max. And then I'm going to plate it and let you see what it looks like. I'm going to scoop it out. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that. Look at that delicious peach. And now you can have that with some ice cream. Okay, so I'm gonna try this. Get some ice cream, and look at that. It's so nice and hot. Oh my word. That is so delicious. Try this recipe. This cake is so light and fluffy. The peach, it's actually not too sweet, and you can taste a little bit of lemon in there. If you try this recipe, guys, and you like it, please let us know in the comments below. And here you have it, guys, our delicious peach cobbler with some delicious ice cream. Thank you for watching, and until next time, God bless. Have a great day.